Welcome to Patent Guitars. Today I'm going to explain our electronic upgrade service that we do here. And essentially, if you happen to own a Chinese-made guitar, or Taiwan or Korea or wherever, they're usually a pretty good little guitar. They have lots of usually really nice neck. Tuners are good on them. Bodies are good. Where they fall down is usually in the electronic side of things, and they're usually inexpensive ceramic pickups, which always sound harsh and tinny. And then the control knobs are, again, inexpensive and quite often don't work very well. They're scratchy, and the switches, some are better than others, but generally speaking they don't last long. They wear out pretty quick. So what we're going to do is show you how you can take and for very little money really compared to what you'd pay for an American made guitar, turn this guitar here into a guitar that sounds really good and the controls work really well, and you'll notice a huge improvement on how it sounds when you plug it into the amp. So we're going to do that on this little Chinese guitar here, and show you how it's done and what you need to do to have yours done if you want it. So here we go. So this is what we see when we open it up and we look inside. Here we have the pickups that are machine wound by the millions basically, and a flat piece of ceramic magnet on the bottoms. Not always the greatest, but at the same time they do work and they're fine, and sometimes depending what you want. Some people like the ceramics, they're very harsh. But at the same time we got these pots which are very, very small. They're the mini pots, and again there'll be a 20% tolerance sort of thing as opposed to the 10. And then the switch, of course, is not really a heavy duty switch, but they do work, and they work fine when they're new. In this particular guitar there's a little bit of shielding here, and that will help cut down the hum. What I like to do with most of the time anyways is shield bigger areas in between the pickups to stop the hum being picked up by these wires. Now here we are with the pick guard with the Chinese electronics removed, and we've replaced them with the CTS American made pots. We've got an orange drop cap in there for better roll off. Got the Switchcraft 5-way switch, very durable, things last forever. And of course we got the 3 Van Zandt single coil pickups in there, and a little extra foil to stop some of the hum. And so now we'll put her back together, and so here we are now with the new pickups, the new Van Zandts put in, the new pots, new cap in there on the tone, and the Switchcraft put back in. So it's ready to go. Get some strings on it. Well, now we got everything back together and the strings on it, and it's tuned up, and I've got it plugged into the little 5-watt tube amp here. So we'll just run through from bridge to middle to neck and see what the difference is. Range, typical for a Strat, and a nice clear crisp sound. I mean, you can't get too much better than that. And we'll try some of the tone effects and see what we get.
equipment for what it was before.
We, besides the single coil that we put in the little unibox there, we also do the same electronic upgrade with humbucker pickups. This particular one has got the pickups out, and we'll put in either the rail hammer humbucker, and they come in chrome and black. Really good pickups, really nice pickups. But they also come in a single coil, the Gnarly 90 and the Telly 90. They're just fantastic pickups. They just got a great sound. But I'll be doing another video on these and their sound in another video. Pretty easy to do. If you're in the Fredericton area, obviously you can just bring your guitar over or pick guard over, but if you live out of town, a lot of my customers live in Vancouver, Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto. So this, you can go to the post office, they sell these for about $1.50 or something like that. They're bubble wrapped inside, and basically just drop it down inside with the address that's on our web page there and your return address. Send me an email as well. Thank you for visiting our website and watching this video, and hopefully we can do some work for you down the road. Thanks a lot.